So let's talk about a famous ancient warlock that actually was a master manifester. So this warlock is known as Merlin, and I'm sure you've heard of him. And he was known as being a warlock here in the earth realm. And I think what he was an alchemist. But he actually channels through a lot of people. His essence and his spirit is still in this realm, helping from the other side. And he specializes in manifestation and bending reality. And I wanted to share with you one of his techniques for manifesting a specific substance in your life. So if you are very set on being specific about your manifestation, this technique is really powerful. And I found for myself that yes, it does work. So he says that whatever you're trying to manifest, so if it's money, if it's love, if it's a house, a car, he says to equate it with a certain element. Okay. So for instance, money, the best element for that is water. There's so many metaphors for money being equivalent to water. Make it rain. My bank is overflowing. All references to water, and that's because money flows just like water. It's always in movement. And money is very heavy like water as well. If it's love, well, it depends on the kind of love. See, if you want like soulmate, stable love, well, then it would be earth, right? But if you want passionate, super romantic, like spark love, that's fire. So think of the essence of the energetic frequency that you're trying to experience and equate that with an element. And then you visualize that element coming into your reality, but you intend that that element is whatever you're trying to manifest. So when I was trying to manifest money, I would imagine that I was a lake, and that I was a lake in the middle of a thunderstorm, and it was pouring into me, all of this rain, okay? And I was so heavy with the abundance and the wealth. And I was also having fun making those whirlpools. I literally imagined that too. Like I just had fun with it. And this worked. I would imagine this to, again, music, because I love using music to get me in a specific frequency to manifest something. Like it's just amazing for altering your mood and emotion. So I put on my manifestation playlist and I would specifically imagine myself being a lake. And this worked. It helped me to manifest quitting my 9-to-5 job and paying all my bills from online and working from home. If you're interested in that, I made a whole course on it. It's linked in the description. But this secret teaching is amazing because it actually helps you ground the unseen realm, which is in your mind, to the physical realm, to the seen realm. It helps bridge it so that you can shift to the version of you that's going to experience this reality. So try this method out for yourself, and I'd love to hear what your results are on it. Hope this helps, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!